Don't know which CPU to buy for your first build? I'm making it simple. Here's the only list you need. Too many options. Too much bad advice. These are the CPUs that actually deliver at every budget level. The Ryzen 5 5600, 6 cores, 12 threads, handles every game at 1080p, street price around $90. Nothing beats it at this price. Nothing. The Ryzen 57600, a M5 platform, future-proof socket, blazing fast for gaming and productivity, best mid-range CPU on the market right now. The Intel Core i5 12400F, 6 cores, no integrated graphics, needs a GPU, but the performance per dollar is insane. Grab it used for under $80. The Ryzen 7 700X, 8 cores, 16 threads, destroys productivity and gaming workloads. This is your CPU if you're building to last 5 years. Any CPU on this list, you cannot go wrong. Pick your budget and pull the trigger. Subscribe for more quick PC tips and build smarter today.